Hey, this is Greenie over here at Brandon Harley Davidson. Need something to clean your bike with? We got it. We got saddlebag cleaner, boot mark, leather cleaner, chrome cleaner, bare metal cleaner, leather protectant, scratch, swirl, glaze, spray polish. Oh my gosh, look at this. For wheel and tire, just for the denim paint. Now this is something probably everybody needs. Anybody that has a 2014 and later with a GPS on it, they probably need to clean that screen, so we got screen wipes. Great claws right here, won't scratch. Looks like somebody's already sampled these. We have sun wash. We got quick gloss detailer. Oh my gosh, so many products. Engine brightener, great on the black paint on your motor. Just all kinds of products in here. Look, here's a great little buy, a starter kit. Can travel with it. So right here at Brandon Harley Davidson, all your needs to clean your bike.